Hello everyone, it's Alexi here from ASTROART, and in this video we are taking a deep look at the ASIAIR Plus, my favorite accessory. We are going over its features and what you can do with it. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Let's get straight to it. Okay, so the ASIAIR Plus can fully replace your imaging laptop and the software is installed on it because everything is in this mini computer that you connect to your phone or tablet through Wi-Fi. Let's talk about the specs and features of this innovative accessory. So the ASIAIR Plus has a lot of ports where you can plug in cables. It has 4 USB ports. 2 of them are 2.0s and 2 3.0s. In those you can connect your camera, mount, guide camera or USB drive, for example. It has 4 12-volt outputs which you can use to power your mount and camera and other devices that needs the power. Right above each output port there is little light indicators which tells you if it's on or off. You can switch them on and off in the ASIAIR app. So for example, if you only need to use ports 1 and 2, you can turn off ports 3 and 4. If you notice that your camera, for example, is not working properly, make sure to check if the light indicator is on. Right next to the 12-volt output ports is a DSLR shutter release port. So for those who use DSLR cameras, that is for you. On the other side you can find USB Type-C port for exporting files to your PC or laptop. By the way, you can use the ASIAIR's Wi-Fi to export files to your computer. The ASIAIR Plus has upgradable storage capacity that supports external TF cards and USB drives. And finally, there is a DC 12-volt input to power the ASIAIR Plus. On one of the sides there is a 1/4-inch thread for different mounting options. It already have a dovetail shoe in the bottom that is ready for mounting, and you can switch its place on the side if you need to. The ZWO ASIAIR Plus has dual-band Wi-Fi network, 2.4G and 5G. It comes with an antenna which makes stronger signal and the working range is up to 20 meters. 5G Wi-Fi is faster than the 2.4G Wi-Fi, but the range is shorter. But do you need a USB drive to storage your images? Not necessarily. The ASIAIR Plus is integrated with eMMC storage. You have 20 gigabytes of free space. If that is not enough for you, we also have 256 gigabyte version of the ASIAIR Plus. The ASIAIR comes with its own app that lets you control your whole imaging session wirelessly through Wi-Fi with your phone or tablet. The ASIAIR can pretty much do everything. It can help you do precise polar alignment, blade solve, monitor your auto guiding, it can show your images right away, auto refocus if you have a ZWO electronic autofocuser, you can do long exposures for your deep sky targets, and take fast exposures or videos for planet and lunar imaging. You can use Go-To and more. One of the many things I like about this is that you don't need to snap your back when you are doing polar alignment. With the ASIAIR Plus, you just take a photo of the North Celestial Pole and it will calculate how much you are off from polar alignment. Then you make adjustments to your mount. The ASIAIR Plus takes away a lot of pressure, especially from beginners, since it's simple and easy to use and everything is in one user-friendly app. That is a big accomplishment. If you like the idea that you can automate your astrophotography setup for a night of imaging and monitor your session wirelessly, then the ASIAIR Plus can be your best friend. Clear skies.